We're going to start with chapter 18. And in previous chapters, we assume we have all the information regarding the first cost, annual operating cost, salvage value, and the life of the equipment. So what happens if some of those values doesn't materialize? So then your decision might be totally different. So to explain here, I'm going to show you one example, which is example 18.1. Again, this is nothing new. You have two alternatives, A and B. They have initial cost, annual benefit, life, and we compared this one in previous chapters. I'm going to do it again, but I'm going to use present worth method for alternative A. This is going to be the first cost is 1,000. The annual benefit is $150. We're going to multiply this one by P given 8. The minimum attractive rate of return is 3.5%. And for 10 years. Then we have a salvage value, 100, P given F, 3.5%, and 10 period. Now, if I calculate this one, this becomes $319. That's present worth of alternative A. Now, if I do for alternative B, this is going to be the same thing with different costs. Minus 2,000 plus 250, the annual benefit, P given A, 3.5%, and 10 period, plus salvage value is 400 for this one, P given F, 3.5%, and 10 period. So this one is going to be equal to $363. So obviously, the present worth of B is larger than present worth A. Therefore, we select alternative B here. Now, again, nothing new here. Based on current information, the alternative B is better because the present worth of B is larger than present worth of A here. Now, what happened after 10 years? The salvage value for alternative B is going to be 300 rather than 400. So what we have to do is you have to find the present worth of alternative B again here. So the first cost is not going to be different. The benefit is also the same. The only thing that's going to change here is going to be your salvage value, which is going to be 300 P given F, 3.5%, and 10 period. Now, if I calculate this one, this time the present worth of this alternative is going to be equal to $292 here. Obviously, this time the present worth of A here is going to be larger than present worth of B here. Therefore, you select alternative A here. So what does it mean here is, based on 400 salvage value for alternative B, we selected B here. Now, what happened if the salvage value for B after 10 years is going to be 300? Obviously, my previous decision is not going to be correct because the A is going to be better here. So how are we going to resolve here? So what we're going to do here is we're going to do a sensitivity analysis here. So we're going to continue example 18.1 here. Now, what happened if the salvage value for alternative B was 300, the A is better than the B here. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to set $319, which is the present worth of alternative A here. I'm going to set the equal to the present worth of alternative B here. Now this time, I'm going to assume we don't know the salvage value. So it's going to be $250 P given A, 3.5%, and 10 period, plus the salvage value for alternative B times P given F, 3.5% and 10 period. If I solve this one for salvage value for alternative B here, this is going to be about $333.9 here. So what does mean here is this. If the salvage value for alternative B is larger than $339, you select alternative B here. If the salvage value for alternative B is less than $339, you choose alternative A here.